title of this video, you already know I'm going to show you a wig, and this is the wig I'm showing you guys today. This wig came in this box and is a very small portable box, and this hair is from a company called Allove Hair. This is actually my first time working with them. So in the box you can see the wig in another bag, and I got like a note, and I guess this note is just to tell me all about this hair. And I got this hair net here inside. I got some crunchies, you know, for packing hair, and I got eyelashes in the pack. So I got 2 eyelashes inside the bag. It's in another bag again, and this is what it looks like when it's out. Okay, so in the bag is in the net. So there's a net here. So I'm going to pull away the net now, and I can see this foam here. You know, I guess they use this one here to, you know, mold the hair so that it doesn't, you know, go in different shapes because of transportation. I'm talking about shipping. This hair came really fast, because when they told me about the hair, they told me, like, we talked about it like last week, like some days ago. So like, and I got it like 5 days after, because there was a weekend. So I got it like 5 days in total with the weekend. So yeah, this is what the hair looks like. This is the curl pattern, and this is 100%. This is 100% human hair, and of course, you know, it's very thick and it's soft, and the coils are nice. And it's also a lace frontal Remy coily hair. And this is what the inside looks like. It has those extra security what's it called, like combs in the front too here, and at the back there's another one here. Talking about the hairline is natural, it's nice, it looks plucked already. But you know, for me to install my hair, I like to go extra, you know, and do a little bit plucking in the front. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can secure this hair on your head that will look so natural, and you know, and yeah, it's simple. This video is just like for beginners. If you have a wig and you don't know what to do with it, you don't know how to secure it, trust me, there are lots of people that don't even know what to do with their wig when they get one. So today I hope this video reach one of them, and I hope they understand what to do after watching this video, because that is the point. The point is showing you what to do, and the point also is for you to get what I am showing you. And so yeah, there's no parts to this hair, everything is brushed to the back. So I'm going to go ahead and wash this hair. I want to wash it first before I install it. So guys, I'm back and this is my final look. How do I look? Comment down below if you like this video, and make sure you check the description box to find out about Allove Hair. This is my first time working with them. Like I said before, this hair is amazing. The volume is nice. You can see this for yourself. It's bouncy, minimal shedding. When I wash it, I just experienced a little bit of shedding, which is normal. Even our natural hair sheds, guys. So it's a normal thing, but when a hair sheds very much, then it's crazy. And so, but if you want to know anything more about this hair, I'm going to put them down in the description box for you to know. And yeah guys, so if you watch this video to this point, you should give me a like at this point, because I deserve a like, right? And if there's anything that you did not understand in this video, please don't hesitate, just comment down below. I'll explain more to you. And if you want to, if there's any video that you also want me to do concerning hair, wigs, installation, just make sure you write down in the description, write down in the comment section. And yeah guys, thanks so much for watching. And if today is your first time you are watching this video and you are new to my channel, what are you waiting for? Just click the subscribe button down, and yeah, you will see my notification anytime I upload a new video. So thanks so much guys for watching. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate. Bye.